We all know a couple of things. First of all, that we are in the era of meme cryptocurrencies. There are many popular ones, and one good example is Pepe original version, which made massive gain in its early stages. After that, we know that now Solana meme projects are breaking out. We have one project that is trying to become the king of Solana meme projects. Big potential is there in the upcoming pre-sale, so I think you should check this out. Today, guys, we're checking out Pork original version. So we can see the familiar face of Peppy meme and Iloncio on the head. Welcome to Pork original version or POV. It is the same initials as Peppy original version. It is community-driven decentralized meme token with a dedicated team deriving and developing behind the scenes to make this the biggest grow coin of 2024. Inspired by the most successful POV or PEP original version BCC, and now together they became Pork original version, the new Solana trend. Means community users loves POV is 174 more than 174,000. Join Pork original version by holding a POV in your hands. You're giving them big support with that. The utilities are massive, 4 of them. Staking. Stake the Pork original version token to join our community and earn POV rewards with up to 1000 APY. Pork original version farming. You can stake liquidity pools token at Pork original version farms to earn POV or other tokens on Pork original version swap. We can see that the swap is there, of course, that is normally we know what that is, and Pork original version community. Community is really important, and that is one more of their features. The NFTs are also there. NFT was fully developed in-house to simplify, streamline, and secure the process of NFT creation for both developers and the artists. Tokenomics are always a really important part of the project. Total supply is not that big, 420,960,690,000. We can see buy and sell tax is 0%, decimal is just 9. So it doesn't show how they're distributed, but we will see that in their pre-sale page. Roadmap with 3 phases. First of all, we can see the design and the idea, social media setup, website, white paper, contract, deployment and audit, marketing campaign, GMA tour. Second phase is the fair launch. So we're now in second phase, fair launch, pink sale, massive marketing, radium listing. Contract re-announce, CoinMarketCap listing, CoinGecko listing, and staking and farming live. Third phase, reach 10k holders, Pork original version NFT auction, CX listings, marketing launch, and also marketplace launch. Pork original version swap launch, mega giveaway, and the update for the phase 4. So why is it saying how to buy? Because the project is on Solana and there are some little different things. First of all, you need to create Phantom wallet. There is more supported on Radium, but Phantom is preferred one. Send Solana to your Phantom wallet. That is simple. Connect your wallet to Radium. That is the place where you will be able to grab the token after the pre-sale, and on pre-sale you will be able to grab it on the pink sale. And when you connect your wallet to Radium, if you want to purchase after the pre-sale, swap Solana for POV or Pork original version and have it. Staking taxes are 0% buying and selling, so you don't have to worry about that. Couple of more things that I want to show you. The Telegram group here, Pork original version POV channel, 11,851 members, 1.5k online, really active group, really active community, which is normal for one meme cryptocurrency. Next thing, of course, is their X or Twitter profile, which says Pep original version, but I think that is the team POV, but overall now they are making it for Pork original version. We can see over here many posts, and I think they will appreciate your support. 10,000 people are here, but they need more. They are the meme cryptocurrencies and they always need more. Pink Sale website is now in beta version for Solana pre-sales. We can see that, but it is important that they have integrated Solana. Pork original version pre-sale is ending in 6 hours and 37 minutes. So the closing time of this pre-sale is 9th of February 2022. 30 UTC, so 9th of February 2230 UTC. Unsold tokens will be burned, and we can see that they have 1000 more Solanas to reach. Overall, I think this project will reach this cap and that there will be no unsold tokens, but even if it stay on this, there will be many unsold tokens, which is amazing because they will lower the supply. You have the smart contract address left over here and the tokenomics pre-sale 50% and unlocked 50%. It is simple. Manual listing after this, but we know it will be on Radium, so you'll have a chance to grab it there. It is normal, but it is for Solana project, so it is going like that. So, Poriginal version, really interesting project with big goals in mind. I love how they're doing it and I'm really excited about their progress. Thank you guys so much for staying till the end of this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, and of course, hit that notification bell. Guys, one more thing for the end. See you in the next video.